things first, grab a phone and start downloading apps. The second step is to begin utilizing the apps by navigating through the on-screen prompts. Step 3 is collecting your earnings and withdrawing them in one of the following ways: PayPal, Skrill, Bitcoin, Payoneer, Paytm, bank transfer, Gcash, or gift card. In this video, I will demonstrate the procedures necessary to earn $279 to $977 in cold, hard cash with very little to no work involved and absolutely no prior expertise required. So these apps cost you nothing to use. They're also easily accessible in the vast majority of countries all over the world. Keep watching to the end of the video to have access to several bonus tips that will help you earn twice as much. Also, make sure that you don't pass up the opportunity. Hey, welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about how to earn $977 using these 3 brand new apps. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. Now, the first app will pay you real money online, which is Big Time Cash. If you watch this video to the end, I'll show you 2 more apps where you can make decent money online easily with no skills. And the real secret is to use all 3 of them together to make the most money. Now here's how it works. First, if you have an Android phone, visit the official website or download the app from the Google Play Store. If you have an iPhone, download the same app from the App Store. Now to start making money on this site, you just need to do 3 easy things. First, you have to find different games to play on this app. Then you have to collect tickets, which you can then turn into real cash and real money. Now look at this. The more tickets you get, the more likely you are to win the cash prizes. Step 3, when the time is up, the tickets are counted and the winner is drawn. There are a lot of free games you can play. In just a moment, I'll show you exactly which games you should focus on to make the most money in the shortest amount of time. Now let's go to the Google Play Store. This app is called Big Time Cash, Make Money Free. And it has more than 1,000 members right now. So make sure you get the right app. As you can see, they have over 4.3 stars, which is a very good rating. And there are a lot of good reviews as well. Just like I've said before, you can make money by turning those tickets into real money. When you finish playing games, they'll give you tickets, and then you can turn those tickets into real money and withdraw them into your PayPal account or bank account. Quickly, let me show you some examples of the games you can play on this app. Then I'll tell you which one you should focus on to make the most money. Here are some examples of the games you can play on this app. They're all pretty interesting too. There are a lot of choices, and you can get paid while having fun. Isn't that great? So that's pretty much how it works. Just quickly, I'd like to show you some other games that you can play. So I want you to pay close attention right now because a lot of people waste a lot of time playing multiple games on this website instead of focusing on the right one. But the thing is that you need to start focusing on just 1 or 2 of the highest paying games. That's the ultimate secret. Now, the game you should focus on is called Galactic Gateway. Because if you only play that one game, you'll get more tickets faster, and the more tickets you have, the more money you can make. Hey, before I continue, I want to know if you're interested in having a side hustle like this. Well, let me know in the comment section below. So let's move on to the second app that will pay you money right now. Come to this website called Pogo, where you can sign up for free. So you can sign up for free and get a global account in just a moment. But right now, I want to show you some of the games you can play on this website to make money. You can now play even more games, and there are a lot of different categories. If you look at the top of the website and click on games, you'll find different categories of games you can play online to make money. Now, on this website, you should focus on poker and solitaire games, which are the most popular. Let me show you some examples inside of the categories that can make you the most money. For example, you can focus on the categories of solitaire and poker cards. When you click on this one, they'll show you more details about this game. For example, you can click on game details and then they'll tell you more about this game and how you can actually play it. They'll even show you some tutorials and videos so you can actually win the games. And the more games you win, the more bonus money you can make. But the best part is that even if you lose the game, you still make good money, so you don't need to be good at it. Once you've done through the tutorial and learned how to play the games, just click play now and you can start playing. They'll show you ads and you just have to wait until they're done before you can play the games on your phone or computer. This part is very important, so don't skip it. When you go to the Pegasus constellation, this is where you can make even more bonus money. This is the extra tip they want to give you on this website, where you can join them for the 30-day challenge. When you go to the top of this website, you can see that they have different challenges, so you can play the games for 30 days. When you log into the website, they'll show you your progress. Now that you've earned enough Pogi points, you can trade them in for real money. For example, Tier 1 gives you 200 Pogies, Tier 2 gives you 600 Pogies, and Tier 3 gives you 600 Pogies. These are all the extra money that you can make. You can join a lot of challenges on this website to get more Pogi points. But some of them have time limits, like having a game for only 15 hours and another one for 3 days. If you join all of these extra challenges, you'll get more Pogi points, and you can find more challenges if you scroll down. You can find more challenges if you click Browse All Challenges. They can also earn extra Pogi points. Now when you add these to this constellation, you can earn a lot more points, and you can turn them into real cash if you just pay attention to the games I listed. So if you want to sign up for a free account right now, click on the register button in the top right corner. This will take you to a page where you can make a free account so you can play all the games on this website. When you click on the country and region, you can see that they accept almost every country in the world. Just type in your information, click on this button, and then click on the next button. This is where you can sign up for your free account. After that, you can start playing games on this website and doing extra challenges to earn more Pogi points. The last app is called Get Paid 2, which is accessible from getpaid2.com. Now on this website, you can just click Join Free Today and you'll be taken to a page where you can put your username, password, and email address. It's very simple and they accept people from all over the world. Once you're done, just click on I'm not a robot and I agree. It's easy to sign up, and once you do, you'll see that there are a lot of games you can play to make money, as you can see here. For every game you play, you can earn an average of $1 to $3, but some games will pay you more and some will pay you less. So once again, those are the 3 apps that will help make you more money. And you can combine these to earn even more money. How awesome! So now that you know all of this, well, are you ready to play games and earn more? Comment down below so that we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Click subscribe and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, you can just head on over to our channel to see more from MoneyTalk. See you!